So just a quick vid on these I hadn't seen before. Ratcheting crimp pliers. They're advertised for Anderson plug terminals, but I still prefer the flood method for doing Anderson plugs. What's handy about these is they've got this ratcheting mechanism. Just turn the knob to release. But what that means is you can put our terminal in. Yeah, I squeezed it too much. Can go in there. That'll hold it for us. Put your wire in. And because of this leverage on these long arms, you can easily squeeze all the way down. When it's reached full tension, it'll release. Releases. There we can see now. Nice, good, strong, solid crimp. So these are just 15 bucks on eBay, called Ratcheting crimp pliers. Alright, catch ya.